this video is rules at the launch pad that we had to come up with ourselves because we did not get a PowerPoint. We tried to do safety tips at the launch pad, but we only ended up coming up with one. And then a bunch of vlog updates from our 2 wonderful days that Autumn and I spent together painting our rockets. Enjoy.
Sweets. We can't get off the ground naturally. We can't pull ourselves up. Okay, loser.
Rules for the launch pad. Rule number 1.
Rule number 1 for a launch pad. I don't know, freaking wear your shoes.
Yeah, rule number 1. Wear your shoes at the launch pad.
It's very important.
Yeah.
We are in Pueblo.
This is the train of Pueblo. Oh, it's windy. It's probably, yeah. But there are also, hold on, let's find one. Look, there are also spiky plants. Yes. And with the spiky plants, you must wear shoes. No.
You weren't given a PowerPoint.
Keep your pets on a leash. That's rule number 2.
Okay, yeah.
Yes.
Oh my god, what is that? Is that a shield?
This is not a shield. This is the pet that you need to keep on a leash
Oh, of course.
and not as a payload.
Mm.
Yeah.
Is that right, Peep?
Mhm. Yeah. Yeah, Peep. Yeah. She's Yeah. Yeah.
Rule number 3. Make sure to have your best friend shield ready in case of an unstable rocket. We're doing this again. Stay down. It's safer. Down.
Oh.
Are you excited for Easter? Yeah.
Safety tips at the launch pad. Number 1. Don't bring a loaded weapon to the launch pad.
And never play with a loaded weapon. It's very dangerous.
It's highly not safe.
Really highly not, just not safe.
That's devastating. Oh. One move, one change. Okay.
I've never seen a harder on the road.
That's Greg. It's my neighbor.
Greg!
Greg.
Phenomenal.
Phenomenal.
Red hand, great hand.
So crisp. That's a good job. You did a good job.
Thank you.
Little tip for painting your nose cone: sand it down with I think we used 280 very fine sandpaper because it'll stick better. Okay. Ta-da! They look like gnomes.
They do.
6 hours in. Whoa! We got the base spray paint done on both of those. Autumn is almost done.
Almost. Still working on it.
And most of my details are acrylic paint, so. We worked for 6 hours. And then we quit. Vlog update. We're playing Yahtzee.
Thank you.
Vlog update. It's day number 2. It's like 8:45 in the morning. Autumn has quit. I still have a long ways to go. Vlog update, we're 9 hours in. Autumn builds a tower of paint. We have Gary the Frog with just chilling with us. I got more paint done and Autumn updated the paint on the stick for 11 hours in. It is now 1:30 on day 2 and we got I gotta put some windows on it and Autumn's looks the same.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. Mutilated it.
He chose that path.
What a brutal world. Wait. No, I am afraid. We got my racket from last semester hanging on my ceiling. And then there's just some stuff happened. This was like an even more chaotic video than the last one. You survived your day at the launch, Pat, because you followed the rules.
You're doing great.
So great. Yeah, we're not doing this again.
No. I quit after this year.
Yeah.
I'm not finishing high school.
Yeah, and a special interview from the intro class member, Braden Teddy. Insert clip here. What's your opinion on Mr. Aaron's rocket science class?
It's my favorite elective yet. I really like it, and it's really fun building a rocket, and I'm really excited to launch it. So it's the best class I've had.
Yay. Cool.
Are you still?
What do you wish?
What?
What do you wish?
I wish for peace on Earth.
What do you wish for in the class?
I wish for Wait, can you start over? I wish we could do bottle rocket.
You wish we could do bottle rockets?
That'd be so fun.
I don't know how to respond to that. But sure.
Yeah! Woo!